I'm Steve, welcome to my channel. I basically want to start putting some budget photography, videography bits and pieces. It's just that so much of it is new. There's some real good bargains to be had, and this one I find is just great. If you're fed up with forever fiddling with the GoPro fingers every time you want to change it from one place to another, I came across these on Temu initially, although I have bought another set from AliExpress, around 10 to 12 pounds, so what, $15–16, and they're absolutely great. I've got them on the GoPro, it's on the base there. Now this is the remote for the ZVE1, which I've also got one of these on. However, I'm recording with it at the moment, so all you do is take your GoPro, put it into the base, twist, and it's locked in, and away you go. It's as easy as that, and you pull down on this little red lever, that unlocks it, and it's off. Now I've used it on the GoPro. I've also got a couple of them on some lights, so if I need a light I can just put on there. This is a tripod, but it could be any mount, and I've instantly got a light wherever I need them. Or I can swap that out, put the GoPro on. I've got one on my neck mount, so if I want the GoPro on my neck mount, I can literally just twist, and away I go. So quick, so efficient, and for the price they are really good. Let me have a quick look on here. I have found them on Amazon UK, so I'm guessing they'll be on Amazon all over the world. But these are newer, the brand newer, not newer as in new. So on the first picture you can see there it's down as being made by newer, but on the next picture down you can see it's actually identical to the base on this. So it's just like a white label type deal. You can have your logo put on, name, whatever. Now on the UK Amazon they're £25, so that must be $30-something, I should think. So basically by waiting a week, if you use Temu or AliExpress, you're going to be able to buy two for the price of one on the UK site, or just save yourself £12 something. If you need them urgently, we all know Amazon, and it's there the next day. But that is my basic look at the mount, and if you're really looking for a mount that you can use for cameras, lights, leave that with you. I'll leave some links, but they're not affiliate links, so I'll try and find a couple of links and leave them down there. As I say, I'm not affiliated. I wasn't sent these, I bought them with my own money, but honestly I find them absolutely great. So if this has been helpful, please give me a like and maybe even subscribe. Something like 90% of people that watch these videos aren't subscribed, and that would greatly help me grow the channel. And then check back here for more photography and videography tips. That's it for now, and I shall catch you in the next one. Thanks again, bye.